All right, so we're just as busy as the rest of you guys out there that have families. We had a situation back when we had the hurricane and it came through. We lost power for a really very long time, and water. I know power and water. It was pretty much off grid living. So pretty much all of our preps that we had incorporated, we had to use. We used everything, and they were all of our preps were very useful to have in that situation. We didn't have to worry about getting sick from water, and we didn't have to worry about power, electricity. We still had all the conveniences of power, even if it came to needing a hot water heater or something like that. Taking a shower was concerning too, because we were in a kids are cooking lunch. We were in a boil water situation, and I did a little clips on Instagram of we had to boil water and stuff. Well, I got sick of that. Well, I got this idea came to me. I was like, UV light, and UV light is used to get rid of viruses and cysts in water, and it's the same technique as boiling. Boiling is just you got to heat the water up and boil it, or you can use a UV light and kill the DNA. So a whole house system of UV lights and killing these types of things. When you're in a boil water warning, when you end up in a flood, or these different situations where the hurricane takes out systems that actually treat the water, and you're not getting treated water anymore, you end up with yucky stuff. It's a lot to think about, but I got this thing and I installed it, and I have to share it with you, because if we're ever in a situation like that again, you don't have to worry about it. You just use that tap for everything. So I'm going to show it to you right now. Now you have to excuse me. Everything's a little messy around here. We got dishes, stuff. We did waffles this morning. Anyways, this little guy here, you just see this spigot coming out. It is a high flow spigot. It comes on. It's all digital. It's got a high flow water system there. That goes to this little guy. Actually, it's not little. This big guy right here. Let me get down so you can see it better. So you've got 3 filtering systems here that it goes through, all of them. In the back, it actually has a UV light system. That's where the finished water goes through. It goes through all of these first, and then it goes through the UV light one in the back. Boom. And then you've got full treated water. The waste goes through this water line here. They give you that coupler right there that goes on there. I got my garbage disposal here. You cannot use the garbage disposal outlet for this device, because you've got to use like your dishwasher outlet. I'm sure you'll have one nearby, because the garbage disposal outlet is a temporary on and off. When you turn it on, it turns that 120 on, and then it turns it off again. So you cannot use that, which it's like right back there. It would be so convenient. It's somewhere back there. Let's see. Maybe you can see it better. Nah, anyways, it's back there somewhere. But you can't use that. So we've got to use what we got. They give you these adapters so you can connect to your water line, and they give you the coupler for your waste line. They give you your blue line, your red line, your white line. They give you all the hoses you need and all the little things to keep from breaking things. They give you all that manual operation. They give you times you got to run it, all that stuff, and everything's touch button, and it's really nice. But you install it and forget it. I don't have to mess with it again. It's done, and that is it. And it's a whole house system. Yeah, because you could easily do the whole house system. You could just plug it in to where your water comes in. You find where your main water is coming into the house, and just do your UV light system there. And that way, everything that comes into the house, regardless of where it's going, will all be UV light blasted before it goes to any room in the house, if you wanted to do that system. This is just a system that goes under your sink. It's affordable, and the replacement filters are affordable, and it gives you an option in scenarios that you need pure osmosis style water. That's what this is. Because it's osmosis, but it's a unique process. It's really cool though. Anyway, I wanted to share. Somebody out there is probably going to want one. I'll put the link in the drop down. Hopefully you guys will click it. Anything you click through me helps me and helps you because I give you a discount. God bless. Take care. Stay safe.